I wanted to offer this tip if you're intending to wrap a refrigerator. There's all kinds of videos out there on wrapping them, so I'm not going to show you that part of it. But the important thing is to get it lined up, centered, and level. And so what I've done, I had a whole bunch of these. I just keep them around the shop. Um, these little magnetic hooks that I get from Harbor Freight. I think a 4-pack is like $2. And so what I did first was put 2 of them at the very top, and then I could take my tape measure and measure down from the top to make sure I've got it level across the top, and then I would work my way down the sides, each side, and put in another magnet as I went down. And so I've got the thing just on there with magnets, and what my intention is, you always peel back the first 6 or 8 inches and then start working down from there. So what my intention is I will move these 2 down and then start from the top, and once I get the top stuck, then I can put the magnets back. But it kind of holds it in place, so I make sure that it's again centered and straight. The other thing that I'd recommend is, I think it was about $10 on Amazon. You get this little kit, and it is comes with, I think it was $10. It comes with 2 of the scrapers or squeegees that have the fabric material on them, so that makes it easier to spread the thing. Got this nice little tool for tucking in around edges. I'm going to have to do around my top and then around the edge, so that works out. Looks like it'll work real well too. This is a razor, so if you just want to strip the thing down, and then there's a utility knife with disposable blades. So I just wanted to share this tip anyway. If you're getting ready to put on a wrap, go buy some magnets, and might make it a little easier. Thank you.